Hello. Today, let's talk about a nice device. Yeah, review, baby. Today's review time here. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung promised a brighter display and improved cameras, more powerful Galaxy AI features, faster performance, and an even better overall experience. But it's really the best Android smartphone you can buy this year. Let's find this out in that video and review. Let's start with design and build quality. At first glance, the Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps the Samsung premium Ultra design language as well. The titanium frame feels incredibly solid, while the premium glass finish gives the phone an elegant look and feel. Despite its large size, the phone is comfortable to hold, and the build quality is exactly what we would expect from a flagship device as well. I think for me, it's a little bit too big, I think. The integrated S Pen is back, baby, once again. It's making this S26 Ultra perfect for productivity, note-taking, drawing, and photo editing. Yeah, I like the S Pen really much. The phone is also IPX68 waterproof and dust resistant, giving us an extra peace of mind for everyday use in every weather condition. Let's go to display. The Samsung is known for making some of the best smartphone displays in the world, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra is no exception. 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED display, QHD plus resolution, and adaptive 1 up to 120 Hz refresh rate. HDR support, vision booster technology, extremely high peak brightness. So everything looks incredible, sharp, colorful, and smooth. Whether we are watching YouTube, Netflix, gaming, browsing the web, or editing photos, the viewing experience is simply outstanding. Even in a bright sunlight, the display remains easy to read. What's about performance? Powering the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's latest flagship processor, combined with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage, if you like it. The phone delivers an exceptional performance. Apps launch instantly. Multitasking is effortless. Gaming performance is outstanding, even with the demanding AAA mobile games running at maximum settings. And Samsung has also improved the cooling system. This helps the phone maintain high performance during the long gaming sessions. And of course, the big AI features. AI is everywhere. The S26 Ultra introduced several intelligent features designed to make everything task easier for us. Some of them are Live Translate, Writing Assist, AI Summaries, Photo Assist, Audio Transcription, Creative Studio, Smart Search, Personalized Suggestion, Context-Aware Assistance, and more and more and more. These AI tools can help improve the productivity, simplify communication, and speed up an everyday task for us. Many of the features works directly on the device, improves both performance and privacy as well. Let's go to camera system. Camera are really good on that device here because the Samsung continues to deliver one of the most versatile camera system available. It comes with 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and telephoto, 10 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel front facing camera. Photos are incredibly detailed with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. Portraits mode produced a natural background blur, while the ultra-wide camera captures an expansive landscape with an impressive clarity. Low-light photography has improved once again. Productivity, brighter and cleaner night shots are possible. And the zoom performance remains one of the most strongest features. This allowing us to capture distant objects with a remarkable detail. That's Galaxy Zoom. Video recording is nice too. 8K recording is possible. 4K up to 120 frames. Excellent image stabilization. Smooth cinematic footage. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the camera system delivers outstanding results. Only the iPhone can handle this too, I think. battery life. This is another strong point as well. The Galaxy comes with a large 5000 mAh battery. For most users, that's enough for comfortably last at the complete day. Heavy users, even with heavy using. Charging options are included as well. Fast charging, fast wireless charging, wireless power share. Overall, the battery performance is reliable and easy keeps up with the demanding daily use. The phone comes with a nice software package. Android 16 and Samsung's latest One UI 8. The software experience feels polished, smooth, and highly customizable. Samsung continues to offer one of the best Android software experience available, with plenty of useful features and a clean interface. And security is another major advantage thanks to the Samsung's Knox and years of software and security updates. I think 7 years can be done easy. Pros are, of course, gorgeous AMOLED display, excellent camera system, outstanding performance, built-in S Pen, premium build quality, powerful Galaxy AI features, and excellent battery life, and a long software support. Cons maybe can be the premium price because it's really expensive as well. Large size may not suit everyone, like me. Camera bump is still quite noticeable, and it is big on the back side. And some AI features may not be useful for every user as well. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Ultra S26 worth buying? In my opinion, absolutely. Samsung has once again delivered one of the best Android flagship smartphones on the market. It combined a gorgeous display, incredible camera, top-tier performance, excellent battery life, and powerful AI features into one premium device. If you're upgrading from a Galaxy phone, you will notice a significant improvement in almost every area. However, you already own the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The upgrade may not be essential unless you especially want the new AI features and the camera improvements as well. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.